Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me this magical staff of technology. This is the Predator body fat scale. Ooh, this is a smart scale for people. Ooh, a digital personal scale with 8 electrodes. A digital scale with a body fat body scale. If you need more health tracking stuff, or let's have a look to the Pediatric Kitchen Scale. This is another product, yes, of course, but these two here, the person scale and the digital kitchen scale in combination will make your health tracking every day so much easier. I promise this is really good, nice additional part of it. And it is digital, so you can operate it by an app control, Bluetooth, but you can control it without Bluetooth too, standalone. And you can have an information about your protein level, the BMI, and 28 body analytics values as well. And we can track this with an application. Download the A&P Health app. A&P Health, Health, from the Google Play Store, or that's a lot of white of this portal. He should go a little down with that. Download the Health app out of the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And then we can record the historical body measurements, and it allows the expert to fitness applications like Apple Health or Google Fit. So we can share our progress with families and friends. And technological innovation and impressive measurements. Pedia's intelligence scale uses 8 electrode dual frequency and segmental BIA technology and captures over 45 key health indicators. And you can see it's really easy. We remove the socks, we remove our shoes, we get in place on the scale, and we grab the tool or the one lever and hold the electrodes in our hand. Then we lift it up a little bit and take a good and nice upward position and let it there for, I think, 5 seconds or something else. And then all indicators are detected, including weight, of course, body fat, muscle mass, BMI, and bone mass, to provide us with more accurate and comprehensive data on our body composition. And we have a clear display and a convenient operation. With a high-resolution LED screen for the clear visibility day and night, we can see what's going on. Equipped with an intelligent auto-switch mechanism that the display lights up immediately while we get on the scale and automatically dims when we leave it. For more comfort and energy efficiency too. The Patches Intelligent Personal Scale offers an exceptional user experience. And of course you can use it with your shoes, but then you only get the information about your weight. Oh, that's too much, of course. And on top, because of this smart scale, we can monitor our heart rate. Thanks to the state-of-the-art technology, the Predator body fat scale is not only an electronic scale, but also a heart rate monitor. After each measurement, we can read our heart rate directly on the bioimpedance scale and track it weekly, monthly, and annual the heart rate trends in the app. Because, of course, we have a multifunctional A&P Health app. So we can add different family members and create an exclusive data profile for them throughout the app while using the smart scale. Determine our weight in any easy-to-use way with various measurement methods such as pet mode and baby mode. The app also has a built-in calorie calculator that allows us to easily retrieve the various data while keeping it fit. If we notice significantly weight difference, this may be caused by the scale was not calibrated to Siri before. So we then stand on the scale, leave it and wait for it to show the Siri before taking the measurement, of course. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me, give a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!